What are you doing to join in on the green steel revolution? Steelmaking is energy intensive, but what if it took less resources to produce? What if you could lower the cost of steel production? And what if you could lower your carbon emissions at the same time? Introducing the Green Can, the thermal kinetic energizer. The TKE can reduce natural gas consumption 50% or more, heat faster and more efficiently, and ultimately replace a conventional burner. How? It starts by igniting just a small amount of gas and air. As the burning gases rapidly expand, more air and gas are added through a series of ventures. These conditions create a high-velocity energy stream that uses vibrational energy to achieve convective heating at a much higher rate. Molecules exit the emitter at 220 meters per second and provide high temperatures using fewer resources, less money, and lower carbon emissions than conventional burners. We all know that speed equals energy. Just imagine how much faster this can heat your vessel. Don't believe it? Ask around to see if anyone you know is using a Green Can. Easy to install, easy to control and monitor, and FRC is here to provide support at every stage. Do you want to save money? Do you want to save time? What are you waiting for? Take a step into the future of green steel. FRC is your provider for TKE technology for the steel industry. Call your local FRC rep and ask about the Green Can today.